Dear students, welcome to our this new video. So this is the first video based on chapter 2, that is solutions. So in this video we will study in details regarding to the solutions, the types of solutions. So at the beginning, see introduction. So we know what are the mixtures. So we have already studied in the 11th. So when two or more than two substances combines, mixtures are formed. That is, when two or more than two substances combines in a random proportion, then the mixtures are formed. The air is the very popular example of mixture. Air consists of many more gases such as nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, etc. Furthermore, rock consists of many more minerals, and these are therefore the examples of mixtures. So these mixtures are further classified into two types, that is the homogeneous and heterogeneous mixtures. A homogeneous mixture in which the components are uniformly distributed. That is what? It consists of only one phase. Homogeneous mixture आपल्याला माहित आहे. Homogeneous mixture मध्ये काय असतं? All the components, whatever may be present, they are uniformly distributed throughout the bulk, throughout the body. For example, when NaCl is dissolved in water, so this is the homogeneous mixture. Sugar in water, milk, blood are the examples of homogeneous mixture. While if there is no uniform distribution of the components in the mixture, that type of mixture is called as heterogeneous mixture. For example, concrete, soil, oil in water. So these are the examples of heterogeneous mixture. In case of heterogeneous mixture, we will see the components with the help of our naked eyes. So I will show you here. See here. So this is the heterogeneous mixture, the mixture of sand and cement, or when the sand is dissolved in water. So components can be seen. See here. So the components do not have the uniform distribution throughout. So in laboratory, we will use many more mixtures when the salts combine in the random proportions. Many more salts can be combined and we will get the mixtures. We are very known regarding to the various types of mixtures. Okay. See, we have to study in details regarding to the homogeneous mixtures. So in this case, homogeneous mixtures are further classified into two types depending upon the sizes of particles. So this is important. The homogeneous mixtures are further classified into two types depending upon the sizes of the particles, in which first one is the colloids and second one is the true solutions. See? So colloids in this case, the particle size is in the range of 2 into 500 nanometer, or that is 10 to the power minus 7 to 10 to the power minus 4 centimeter. So such homogeneous mixtures are called as colloids. See, so this is very important. Homogeneous mixtures are further classified into two types, colloids and true solutions. So in colloidal mixtures, the particle size is in the range of, see here, 10 to the minus 7 to 10 to the power minus 4 centimeter. So again, so this can be seen, these particles can be seen under the microscope. So they cannot be seen with the help of naked eyes, but colloidal particles, we know the many more colloidal solutions can be prepared, and depending upon the size of particles. So here these can be seen, for example, ground coffee that is ground coffee is an example of colloidal mixture or tea leaves in milk. पहा, आपण टी चहापत्ती जी वापरतो किंवा a tea is nothing but a colloidal solution because these particles किंवा ground coffee म्हणतो आपण or tea leaves in milk, this is an example of the colloidal size particles, or that is an example of homogeneous mixture. So see, we have to learn the second type of these homogeneous mixtures, and that is what? The true solutions. So this is the aspect of our study. So in this topic, we have to study regarding to these true solutions in details. So that is the another type of homogeneous mixture. So depending upon the size of particles. So in true solutions, the particle size is in the range of 0.1 to 2 nanometers. Such a small size particles are there. See here, 0.1 to 2 nanometer, or that is the particle size is, that is 10 to the power minus 8 centimeter or smaller than this particle size. So in this range, in case of true solutions, such type of particles are there. So we are very known about these true solutions. So when NaCl, sodium chloride, is dissolved in water, see here, when NaCl, so salt, NaCl salt, when dissolved in water, so we will get a true solution. So depending upon the size of particle, see here, so when NaCl is dissolved in water, so we will get, what is that? A true solution. So in this case, the particle size is very small. So that is in the range of 0.1 to 2 nanometer or 10 to the power minus 8 centimeter or less than that. So in this case, we can't see these particles with the help of naked eyes, or when sugar is dissolved, glucose or sucrose in water, again we will get the true solution. So in this topic, we have to study specially the properties of true solution. The properties of true solution, types, uses. So therefore, initially we will see what is meant by true solution, or we will see the definition of true solution. That is C. So this is very important. Solutions or true solutions. So see the definition, a homogeneous mixture. See, what are the true solutions? A homogeneous mixture of two or more than two chemically non-reacting pure substances is called true solution. See, what is that? What is a true solution? A homogeneous mixture of two or more than two chemically non-reacting pure substances or components is called true solution. That is all. लक्षात येतं का? पहा तुमच्या, केमिकली नॉन रिॲक्टिव्ह, दोन किंवा दोनपेक्षा जास्त प्युअर सबस्टन्सेसचं किंवा कंपोनंट्सचं, घटकांचं मिश्रण. केमिकली नॉन रिॲक्टिव्ह म्हणजे ते परस्पर रिॲक्ट होऊन केमिकल रिॲक्शन व्हायला नाही पाहिजे. सो व्हॉट इज दॅट? ए ट्रू सोल्युशन इज नथिंग बट ए होमोजिनियस मिक्सचर ऑफ two or more than two components which are chemically non-reacting. That is what is the true solution. See, there are two components of the true solution. There are two important components of the true solution. These are solute and solvent. एखादं सोल्युशन किंवा ट्रू सोल्युशन, ज्याला आपण द्रावण म्हणतो, द्रावण कसं तयार होतं पहा. दोन किंवा दोनपेक्षा जास्त शुद्ध पदार्थ जे की केमिकली नॉन रिॲक्टिंग असले पाहिजे किंवा दोनपेक्षा जास्त घटक ज्यांचं एकजिनसी मिश्रण, होमोजिनियस मिक्सचर आपण पाहिलं. होमोजिनियस मिक्सचर ऑफ टू और मोर दॅन टू substances which are chemically non-reacting, that is important. So that is called as the true solution. And components, there are two components of true solution. First one is the solute and second one is the solvent. So what is a solute? Try to understand. पहा, दोन कंपोनंट्स असतात ज्याच्यापासून सोल्युशन किंवा ट्रू सोल्युशन तयार होतं. सोल्यूट, the substance which get dissolved is called as solute. आपण सोल्यूट कशाला म्हणतो? पहा, जो पदार्थ विरघळतो, or solute is supposed to be get dissolved. A substance which get dissolved is called solute, or generally the solute is considered as the substance which is present in the smaller quantity, in the smaller amount. So this is easy to understand. A solute is the substance which is present in the smaller quantity or in the smaller amount is generally considered as the solute, or the substance which is get dissolved. Solvent, the medium in which solute is get dissolved. The medium in which solute is get dissolved is called solvent. पहा, solute ज्याला आपण द्राव्य म्हणतो, solvent ज्याला आपण द्रावक म्हणतो. We know water is the universal solvent. Solvent, the medium in which solute is get dissolved, किंवा simple in general, the component which is present in the larger quantity or greater quantity is considered as the solvent. Is considered as the solvent. अशा पद्धतीने when solute is dissolved in solvent, then the solution is obtained. तर हे दोन याचे जे आहेत हे कंपोनंट आहेत, सोल्यूट आणि सॉल्व्हंट. जसं आपण पहा, साधं आपलं सोल्युशन जसं मी तुम्हाला म्हणालो, NaCl dissolved in water. So NaCl is the solute and water is the solvent. Okay, so we have the study of the types of solutions. In this case, we are very familiar with respect to these solutions. So in the all life processes, or we know our body fluids are in the form of solutions, or in laboratory we are very known about these solutions, or in industries solutions have their own importance. So here I will show you a few true solutions. So see here, so this is the solution of copper sulfate in water. True solutions, or ferrous sulfate solution, just green in color. We know KMnO4 solution, potassium permanganate solution, violet. So in this way, we are familiar with respect to various types of solutions. So here we have to study the types of solutions. Types of solution. So in which here, on the basis of number of components, on the basis of number of components, that is the classification of solution can be done by the different methods. So simple one, on the basis of number of components, the solutions are classified or categorized like this: binary, ternary, quaternar. So we are very known regarding to the binary solution. So when only two components are there, generally one solute and another solvent. So solution of NaCl or sugar, so it is very common type of solution. That is the binary solution, involves on the basis of number of components. Only two components are involved, one solute, one solvent. Binary solution, very common type of solution. Ternary solution, depending upon the components. Quaternary and etc. So on the basis of number of components involved in the solution, so as a solution is nothing but that is the homogeneous mixture of two or more than two components which are chemically non-reactive. So that is the important. That's why binary, ternary, quaternary like this. Another method that is based on the strength, we know, that is the dilute solutions and concentrated solution. Depending upon the strength. पहा, dilute solution आपल्याला माहित आहे, concentrated solution माहित आहे, कमी solute असेल आणि जास्त solvent असेल तर dilute solution तयार होतं. जर सोल्यूटची मात्रा जास्त असेल कंपेअर टू सॉल्वंट, पहा सोल्यूट जास्त प्रमाणात असेल तर त्याला आपण कॉन्सन्ट्रेटेड सोल्युशन म्हणतो. ओके, अँड ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ सॉल्वंट, whether the solvent is water or other than water, we know aqueous solutions, non-aqueous solutions. Is it right? If water is the solvent, पहा solvent जर water असेल तर त्याला aqueous solutions म्हणतो आपण. When solute is dissolved in water, and non-aqueous benzene असेल, ethyl alcohol असेल, acetone असेल, so we can use the many more other solvents. So in this way, solutions are classified into the various types. But we have the study of the classification of solution or types of solution based on the physical state of solute and solvent. So that is the important aspect of our study. What is that? We have to study the types of solution or classification of solution based on what? That is the physical state of solute and solvent. So it is interesting that solute and solvent may be present either in the one of the physical state, that is they are solids, liquids or gases. पहा, solute जो आहे solid असू शकतो, लिक्विड असू शकतो, गॅस असू शकतो. सॉल्वंट सुद्धा सॉलिड असू शकतो, लिक्विड असू शकतो, गॅस असू शकतो. पहा, कॉमनली वी विल कॉल व्हेन सॉल्यूट इज डिसॉल्व्ड इन सॉल्वंट अँड व्हेन द सोल्यूट इज सॉलिड अँड सॉल्वंट इज लिक्विड, वी विल कॉल इट सोल्युशन. जनरली आपली संकल्पना अशी झालेली आहे की एखादा सॉलिड पदार्थ जेव्हा लिक्विड सॉल्वंटमध्ये विरघळतो त्याला आपण सोल्युशन म्हणतो. जसं आपण पाहिलं NaCl. पण पहा, सो अकॉर्डिंग टू द डेफिनेशन, ए होमोजेनियस मिक्सचर ऑफ टू और मोर दॅन टू प्युअर सबस्टन्सेस or components is called as true solution. मग सोल्यूट आणि सॉल्वंट सॉलिड असू शकतो, लिक्विड असू शकतो, गॅस असू शकतो, हे महत्त्वाचं आहे. किंवा सॉल्वंट सुद्धा पहा. आणि त्या अनुषंगाने बेस्ड ऑन द फिजिकल स्टेट दी सोल्युशन्स आर ऑफ टोटल 9 टाइप्स. पहा, सोल्युशन्स आर ऑफ टोटल 9 टाइप्स and we have to learn here. So the classification or types of solution based on the physical state and are of 9 types. So we will see. Let us study the types of solutions. So based on the physical states of solute and solvent are of total 9 types of solutions. See here, the number or type of solution, state of solute, state of solvent, and the examples. So the examples are important. First type, solute is solid. See here, solute is solid dissolved in liquid solvent. That is a common type of solution. Sugar in H2O, NaCl in H2O, seawater, seawater, or acids, benzoic acid, oxalic acid dissolved in benzene or water. So these are the common type of solutions when solute is solid and solvent is liquid. Understand? Then solute dissolved in solid solvent. Both are solids. We know solid solutions of metals or alloys. We already learned. So brass, alloy of copper and zinc, bronze, aluminium, copper, small amount of manganese. Manganese is there. So these are the examples of solid solutions. Solid in solid. See, alloys or glass. Solid in solid. Okay, इथे लक्षात तुमच्या. Then solid in gas. Iodine in air, camphor in air, ammonia in air. We know the sublimation test. Or smoke, that is the carbon particles scattered in air. Smoke. Solid in gas. Solid in gas. Then liquid in liquid. Gasoline or petrol. Ethanol in H2O or all oils in water. Liquid in liquid examples. Then liquid in solid. Amalgams of mercury. We know that the compounds of mercury with metals are called amalgams. Amalgams of mercury with metals. Ag, silver or Ag, mercury in gold. किंवा आपल्याला जेल माहिती आहे. लिक्विड इन सॉलिड. आपण जे पेस्ट वापरतो जेल. लिक्विड हे जास्त सॉलिड मध्ये स्कॅटर झालेलं असतं. स्मॉलर फेज सोल्यूट लिक्विड, लार्जर फेज सॉल्वंट सॉलिड अशा पद्धतीनं. देन 6th वन लिक्विड इन गॅस. लिक्विड इन गॅस, क्लोरोफॉर्म इन नायट्रोजन गॅस or spray or perfumes are the example of liquid in gas. परफ्यूम्स मध्ये काय असतं लिक्विड छोटी फेज आहे, जास्त गॅस मध्ये स्कॅटर झालेली असते. स्प्रे और परफ्यूम्स लिक्विड इन गॅस. गॅस इन लिक्विड. कार्बोनेटेड वॉटर आपल्याला माहिती आहे. CO2 इन H2O कोल्ड ड्रिंक्स मध्ये असतं. कार्बन डायऑक्साइड इज फिल्ड इन अंडर हाय प्रेशर, दॅट इज कार्बोनेटेड वॉटर. Gas in liquid example. Then gas in solid. Hydrogen in palladium. Hydrogen in catalytic reactions is add salt on the surface of palladium or nickel platinum add salt on charcoal. Adsorption. Gas in solid. Rock, bread, biscuits are the example of gas in solid. सच्छिद्र पदार्थ रॉक सारखे, ब्रेड सारखे. गॅस हा स्कॅटर झालेला असतो जास्त सॉलिड मध्ये. Solute gas, solvent solid, biscuits is the example. Then gas in gas, air, mixture of CO2, N2, argon. So in this way, so there are total 9 types of solutions which are based on the physical state of solute and solvent. So what we have studied in this video, that is solutions and the important types of solutions based on physical state. So there may be the question in the examination. So we have to write. So these types of solution. So broadly they are classified as solid solutions. त्याच्यामध्ये 3 types. Liquid solutions यांना आपण gaseous solutions म्हणतो. समोरच्या असे मेन 3 टाइप्स मध्ये त्याचं वर्गीकरण करता येतं आणि ओव्हरऑल टोटल 9 टाइप्स. So that's all. So if you like video, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Stop here. We will meet again in the next video. Thank you.